Everyone, hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, in this video I will discuss about the medicine to clear CMA foundation, inter and final based on, you can say, that experience of my journey. Based on I am come across with the qualified CMA as well as the rank holders. Apart from this, I have also taken several sessions and the crux of those sessions to clear the CMA exams if she is a foundation, inter or final student. First priority of CMA foundation, inter and final, every CMA student to complete his study material as soon as possible. Okay, so your focus and more priority on study material. The best medicine to complete your CMA exams and clear your CMA exams, your study material. So please focus more and more on your study material. If you are using any reference book, that is okay, and yes, that is okay, but you have also focus on your study material. Every CMA rank holders also tell about the same thing. You have also heard the words of recently qualified AIR CMA Inter AIR1. She also tell about the importance of study material. So please focus on the, you can say that, study material. Try to complete your study material as soon as possible. Then 2-time revisions. If you are going with more than 2-time revision, that is a plus point for you. But at least minimum 2-time revision is must needed to clear your CMA foundations. Okay. Then after completing 2-time revisions, you need to give and focus more and more and revise again and again past year paper, model paper, mock paper and MTP, RTP if available. Then you need to focus on past year paper, model paper or mock paper. These are the best medicine to clear your exams, and I can assure you that if you do these strategies, easily you can clear your foundation, inter or final results. Soon for July 21, Institute will upload model paper so that you can focus and practice more and more. Till then, your first priority is to complete your study material and at least 2-time revisions. Apart from this, you have any doubt, you can ask me, but I can assure you that this will be the best strategy. Apart from this, what will be your strategy you can prepare, and which strategy I have followed during my journey. So for particular subject wise, you can prepare your own strategy. For example, what I did in CMA Inter Financial Accounting. As you know that in financial accounting we have a chapter called partnership. It is not a lengthy chapter, but it is a very time consuming, from basic concepts of admission to till the death and dissolution of partnership. Each and every concept covered in financial accounting. So I have leave the chapters. I never say to student leave the chapter, but you have to prepare your own strategy. What strategy I have followed for financial accounting? I leave the partnership because it is a time consuming. Once I complete, again and again while I will revision, it will take 1 week, 5 days every time when I revise the partnership account. So why I spend too much time on this chapters? I leave this chapter and focus more on the remaining portions. I focus more on the remaining portion. So I have grabbed the you can say that 100% command over the remaining portion, and easily I cleared my financial accounting. Okay, so this is the strategy which I have followed, but I never say to any student ki leave any particular subject. My point here is that you have to make your own strategy. Okay, you need not to copy others, but what will be I strategy followed? The same strategy I have followed from foundation to till final, from each and every paper. For this, I will prepare a separate video what strategy I have followed for individual subject wide. If I discuss in this particular video, this video will be long. So I will prepare a separate video for every individual subject which strategy I have followed. I have discussed for the financial accounting. I have focused more on the remaining portion except partnership account. I have more and more practiced the practical questions of financial accounting available on study material, past year paper, model paper, MTP, RTP, PTP. I never leave anything. Okay. So apart from this, I have also followed the, you can say, different strategy for different subjects. So I hope you understand the main crux. Study material you have to complete, 2-time revisions you have to complete. Still you have a time, you can go with the 3rd-time revision, but 2-time revision is sufficient. Then past year paper, model paper, mock paper, MTP, RTP, whichever available to you. Everything is available on institute side. If you are buying scanner, then it is okay, but if you are not buying and you do not have money to spend on a scanner, then everything is available on study material. Suggested answers you can download from institute side, which is available. Okay, what another strategy I have followed during my CMA Inter Foundation or final? I have strategy, I prepared a separate folder for suggested answer 2015 suggested answer, June, December 16, June, December, and MTP, RTP, PTP. I prepared a folder. I spent my whole day in Lakshminagara shop to print out all those papers, and I will make a spiral book. I am a person of reading the you can say that the books from the hard copy, but nowadays you can see that the trend of reading the from PDF, it is also good for you. So yes, you can follow your own strategy, but past year paper, model paper, mock paper and study material, these are important to clear your CMA exam. CMA exams are not tough, they are easy, but we have to prepare our own strategy to clear our exams. Okay, so apart from this, if you face any problem in any particular subject, you can ask me, and every Sunday you can I am also coming with the live 7:30 8 p.m. to resolve all your queries. You can ask me. Apart from this, if you have any doubt in any particular subject, you can ask me questions and I will suggest the best strategy to resolve your queries. Okay, so hope that you are getting my point. So please focus on the study material, prepare your own strategy, complete the practical questions from the study material. You have also heard about the words of officials of ICMI. They are also focusing more and more on the past year paper or study material. In one of the session of in one of the session, immediate past president Balvinder sir also said about the same thing. Focus on the past year paper. Okay, I am not saying here that everything is come from the past year paper, pura 100 mark paper is coming from the past year paper, but I have seen the trend that around 25 or 20 mark from past year paper MTP in a conclusion manner come in the exams. So if we have a good command over those 25 marks, so easily 60 or 70 will be easy for us. Hoping that you are getting my point. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me, and you can also suggest me on which topic I need to prepare video. You need to suggest the topic, I will prepare a video on those topic. From my side, that's all about in this video, and every Sunday I am coming up live to resolve all your queries, where you can ask any query related with your professional career, job related, study related, in which you are facing any problem in any particular subject. Each and every question you can ask me. If you are a student, if you are a qualified CMA as well, I will suggest the best strategy to you. From my side, that's all about in this video. I will meet in a new video. Bye guys, keep studying, keep growing and keep enjoying, and you need to stay at your home. Okay, need not to go anywhere. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.